This month, after 4 years of supply shocks, inflation, stockpiling, shortages and floodings, global supply chains are now operating in a Goldilocks steady state of full capacity, not contracting nor expanding too quickly. This is great news for global suppliers and businesses. Through the GEP Supply Chain Volatility Index, a leading economic indicator, we are tracking worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand through a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. In April, here in Asia, demanded suppliers, led by factories in South Korea, Vietnam, India and China, has picked up year to date after considerable weakness in 2023. The North American market is showing evidence of tightening capacity, with manufacturers reporting some difficulties meeting orders due to shortages of staff and critical materials, especially in Mexico. The one cloud on the horizon is that transportation costs are rising as a result of recent string of oil price increases. Go to gep.com/volatility to download our full report. I'm Michael Seitz with GEP.